Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to show you how you can protect your or hide your data such as audio, video, still picture, and other files. So for this you no need to change download or install any third-party apps or buy any app. So using just change your settings. For this tutorial I am using my phone, Android phone, version 5.1. I think it's sorry I think it Lollipop. So I'm using Lollipop version and my phone model is Walton Primo H4. So let's start. So using these settings you can change you can hide your photo audio and still picture data, any kind of data. No need to download any third-party apps. Just go to your Android phone settings, find security. At the bottom you can find data protection. So someone get this option in their phone settings, someone can. So if you have this kind of settings, please comments below. If you're not, please also comment below with your phone model and Android version. So using these settings you can hide or protect your data. Just go to your data protection, then type your pattern. I already select my pattern. Then you can find this kind of settings. So here you see no picture, audio, video and others. It's all is 0. So before showing this setting, I like to show my gallery. Here is my phone gallery. You can see all is short screen. So now I like to hide or protect this all my short screen. So just go to your settings and then security and data protection. Then just at the top you can find this pencil icon. Just hit this. Sorry, before that you need to select which kind of data you like to protect. I like to protect a picture. Then after select picture, then just hit the plus symbol, then select your data. My data is in my SD card, then picture, then short disk. Here is my short disk data. Now I like to select all my short screen data. You can also choose single data. So at the top of the phone you can find a pencil icon. Just hit the pencil icon, then you can select one by one, or you can select all. I like to select all. Then at the top you can find a key. So just key the press the key, lock key, then start locking. So here you can see my file is locking. I have 64 file all are locking. So it's complete. 0 file failed. Here you can see no file. Now just go back. Here you can see all my short screen file is here. Now I like to show my gallery. Sorry, there is no image, all is gone. No image. So in this way you can also protect others data. So if you like to protect something like document, just go other, then click plus option. So here is the doc file. Just hit the pencil icon, then select your doc file and click the lock icon. It's gone. Here is my doc file. So if you like to unlock your doc file or picture, audio, video and others file, just go to your folder, then at the top pencil icon, just click the pencil icon, then select, you can select one by one or you can select all. I like to select all image, then click at the top unlock button. Here is all my file is unlocked. So now here you can see my file is unlocking. Total 47 still image. So total 47 succeed and 0 failed. Now I like to show my gallery. Okay, everything is come back again. So in this way you can protect your data, important data, image, video and something else. So if you like this video, just give me a big thumbs up. If you have any comments, please comment below, and mostly subscribe this channel so that you can find this kind of tutorial, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get more fast notification in your mobile. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.